so I got cut off. But it's just because I'm just so excited about this project. I'm almost done though, so I'll wrap this up. So anyways, like I was saying before though, there was a lot of nights that the weather did not cooperate, and I kept track of those nights, and I put a list of if it was raining or if it was clouding, and I would tell my students to do the exact same thing. The final thing that I put on here was a review of a book that I read for the class, but I think that will tie in really good with your overall space unit. And it's called Margaret and the Moon. And it is just the true story of Margaret Hamilton and how she decided, excuse me, that she wanted to work for NASA. And so she put her mind to it and she did. And it talks about integrating, different content areas with science, which I think is a really important thing. And it also just shows that women are more than capable of having these types of jobs as well. And we know that in today's society, women and minorities don't typically go for jobs in the science field. So I think this is a great book to kind of get your girls excited, but they also do a really good job with the illustrations of depicting people of color. So I think overall, it's just a really great book to kind of either start your space unit or end your space unit with. But anyway, that is my Moon Journal project. I hope that you enjoy it. I actually had a really good time putting it together for you. And thanks again. Bye.